There are three concepts in neuroscience that I want to share with you today in order to help you to manage your stress. The first one is what we call emotional regulation. And that's basically when we have some kind of event or situation outside of us that triggers an emotion within us, how long do we hold on to that emotion for? What we want to be able to do is to shorten this refractory period in order that we feel that emotion less of the time, yet while still getting the learnings that that emotion is there to teach us. The second concept is what we call metacognition, which is this ability to kind of observe yourself from a detached perspective to become aware of your unconscious thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Because when we're unconscious, we're going to create these same stress patterns that has led to these stressful situations in our life. So as we become attached and we become aware, we can begin to change our reactions to these stimulus in our environment. And the third one is simply a mindfulness practice. As you combine this management of your emotional refractory period combined with your metacognition, you're able to slow down your brain waves from these high beta go kind of feelings and thoughts and emotions down to a more calm, more relaxed state. And as you're able to do that, you're able to dramatically reduce the stress in your life and then improve the quality of your relationships, the clarity of your own thought and communication, and a sense of well-being and inner peace. To discover more about these tools, come and join me for Dr. Joe Dispenza's Change Your Mind, Create New Results. As the only certified consultant in Thailand, it would be my pleasure to welcome you soon.